let's talk about skincare. Do you know what the best skincare products are? Do you want me to tell you? Yeah? Well, the best skincare products are right in your kitchen. So let's get into this video, guys. You all, stop investing your hard-earned cash into all this brand name company that's selling all this name brand skincare that you think is good for your body. And most of them are just so packed with chemical. Some of them you can't even read the chemicals that are in. You don't even know like what these chemicals are for. Instead, go in your own cupboard in your kitchen. The things that are edible, the things that you're using to cook with, they're good for your skin, guys. Yes, they're awesome for your skin. You guys are sleeping on some stuff, man. Let me tell you, you guys are sleeping on some stuff. This is gram flour, which is chickpea flour, which is packed with nutrients and protein, okay? If you're a vegan person, chickpea flour is your friend when it comes to getting your protein. But this is a little gem, a gem. I paid like $1.10 or something for this much. I just pour it in a jar, okay? And this is amazing for your skin. Like, you can use chickpea flour and make an amazing mask for your face. You can use it to make a scrub. You can put chickpea flour with sugar and make a chickpea sugar scrub. Add some essential oil, or don't add essential oil if you don't like it, because maybe if you're allergic to essential oil or your skin doesn't like it or you don't like scent. Do this, guys. You're gonna have amazing skin. You could even add oats to that, chickpea flour and oats, and make your own body scrub. You know, your body's gonna feel soft, amazing, and you're gonna get the benefits from these things. These things doesn't have any chemicals in it, okay? Something you guys are sleeping on is cinnamon and turmeric. Guys, add cinnamon to your chickpea flour. Add cinnamon to your oat flour. You can just grind up oats and make oat flour. And sugar again, that plain old sugar that's inside of your cupboard. Make a body scrub. Make a hair mask. I mean, guys, there are so much things in your cupboard that you can use to make amazing skincare. Guys, stop sleeping on stuff, okay? Go into your cupboard now, yes, right now, and find something and make a beauty product with it, okay? You can do it. I know you can. Yes, you can. You have rosemary there that you cook with. You can grind that up again. You can use it to make rosemary oil. You can put it in your hair. You can use it on your skin. You can use it for dandruff. You can use it for rashes. I mean, come on. The list goes on and on. So guys, things are very expensive these days. And if you want to keep your money in your pocket, you know, if you want to be like me, go away to a nice African country and retire with all my moolah in my pocket and live the life that I dreamed of. Okay, it doesn't even have to be African country, any country. Okay, you gotta start using your cabeza, which is your head. Sorry, I'm going Spanish on you guys. But anyways, you gotta start using your head and think outside of the box and see how you can use the same thing that you're eating that are going inside your body to go on your skin. Those things are healthier for you, they're better for you. And guys, the last thing I want to tell you is the herbs that are in your cupboard, they're good for your skin. They're good for your hair. Make some concoctions, okay? And you will thank me. You would see how your skin and your hair will do much better. Once I start using herbs and things on my body, I mean, I don't want to brag, guys, but my skin is 100% better. My hair is so much healthier. My body, inside and outside, I feel amazing. You know what I mean? So if I can do it, you can do it too. So today I want you to go find one thing in your cupboard, make a skincare product and use it. Learn to make your own oils, make your own creams, make your own lotions, make your own soaps, and overall just make healthy stuff that is going to be good for your body, and stop wasting your $30, $40, $50 on products that are out there and that have all these chemicals in it, which is not good for the body, you know, and which is hurting you than being helpful to you. And the sad part about it is you are taking your hard-earned money to buy these harmful things to put on your body. So one more thing I want to say before I close up this video. Invest in a spray bottle. Yes, this spray bottle. Invest in a spray bottle, because a spray bottle is very, very economical. It would last you for a very long time, and you don't have to buy a hairspray out there which has all kind of things in it that you can't even read and words that you can't even pronounce. Okay, invest in a spray bottle. It's very important. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. I will see you in the next video. Mwah, mwah. Ciao, ciao, my loves. Stay positive.